pumpkin and carrot. Gonna make a carrot punch, guys. So I'm using the water that boiled it, and then I'm gonna add a little water on it. So just pour it in the jug, then I'm gonna refill the blender bag. Then I'm gonna pour some water on it. I wanna make enough to take me to the work for the week. I'm just gonna pour it out. Look at that. Look at that. So, guys, I have to put it where am I put it because the extension. So, let's see. I use Dragon. You can use whatever you want to use. vanilla lasco in it. I'm using the vanilla for that. Hold on, I have to get something to put it. So, I'm gonna use all of this lasco. Then I'm gonna pour some sugar in it. I don't measure anything, guys. Anything. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't put any pumpkin in it this week. No, not pumpkin. Any peanuts. Sorry, I didn't put any peanut in it this week, and I just realized that a vanilla finish. I just have a little tubes, just a little tubes. I have. Just a little tip of cinnamon. Just spice it up. And then that should be good. And then I'm just gonna put like a pinch of salt. You know, you have to put your salt in it. This is perfect. So I'm gonna put it on the fridge to let it cool, and then I'll get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So like and share, guys.